Um,
Hi, Colbs. How are you today?
Hi, I'm gonna do some stuff about chiropractic and show you stuff. Well, and
What would you like to tell us about today?
I'm gonna tell you about some chiropractic
Okay, go ahead.
and it's standing on his shoulder.
What does the chiropractor do, sweetie?
A chiropractor can help you in all kinds of ways.
Oh, how?
Not feeling good, sick, and hurt.
What if you don't feel sick or hurt? What if you do feel good?
You should always get adjusted so you can stay good.
Oh, what happens when you get adjusted, sweetie?
You can turn on your power and your brain, and then your energy can make your battery work, and that makes your whole body work.
That's fantastic. That's great, Colbs. Do you want to tell us about anything else?
Just going to tell you about one more part.
Sure.
And it's going to be really short. So,
Okay, go ahead.
Chiropractic is the best thing in the world. And you can go to it every time. And
Is it a good idea for kids to go to chiropractor?
yes.
Oh, so kids should go to chiropractors?
Yes.
Now, can little babies go to chiropractors?
Yep. They go to nurses too.
They do? And they go to all kinds of different health professionals. How about mummies and daddies? Should they go to chiropractors?
Yeah.
Do you have anything to say before we close out, sweetie?
Yep. I have something more to say about chiropractic.
Go ahead, sweetie. One last thing.
Love you, bye, and welcome to see you back.